Welcome to Homes Decor Designs, your trusted source for elevated home and outdoor living inspiration. Before we start, we want to ask your support to make this channel grow with subscribe to this channel, leave comment, hit the like button or share this video to your friends and family. Are you tired of your car sitting out in the open, exposed to the elements? Maybe you don't have a garage, or you simply want a more stylish, open-air solution. Well, you're in the right place. Today, we're diving into the world of simple modern carport designs. These aren't your grandpa's clunky, old structures. They're sleek, minimalist, and an elegant addition to any home. But what exactly is a simple modern carport? It's a structure designed with clean lines, a focus on function, and often uses a mix of natural and contemporary materials. The goal is to provide essential protection for your vehicle while seamlessly blending with your home's aesthetic, enhancing rather than detracting from its beauty. They are designed to be an architectural feature, not just a functional one. So, what are the benefits of having one of these? First and foremost, they protect your vehicle from sun, rain, snow, and hail. This simple act can prevent paint damage, interior fading, and even save you money on costly repairs. Beyond protection, a well-designed carport adds significant curb appeal and can even increase your property's value. Unlike a traditional garage, carports create a sense of openness and space, making your property feel larger and more welcoming. They are also generally more cost-effective and faster to build than a full-scale garage. Plus, many designs can be easily adapted to serve other purposes, like a covered patio or an outdoor entertaining area. It's a smart investment that combines practicality with high-end design. Now, how do you make your simple modern carport look beautiful? The key is to treat it as an extension of your home's landscape and architecture. Consider adding subtle, low-voltage lighting to highlight the structure and provide a warm, welcoming glow at night. Landscaping is also crucial. Use plants, shrubs, and flowers to soften the hard lines of the structure and integrate it into your garden. Think about using climbing vines or hanging planters to add a touch of greenery. You can also incorporate decorative elements like a stone pathway, an interesting paver pattern, or even a small seating area nearby. A simple, well-placed plant in a modern pot can go a long way in making the space feel finished and intentional. Now, when it comes to bringing these stunning designs to life, your choice of materials is crucial. The right materials not only ensure the longevity and durability of your carport but also define its style, whether you're aiming for a warm, natural feel or a sleek, industrial look. Let's break down the best materials for a simple modern carport design. First, steel or aluminum. These metals offer incredible strength and durability with a sleek, industrial look. They are low maintenance, resistant to rust, and can be powder-coated in various colors. Second, wood. For a warm, natural, and timeless aesthetic, wood is an excellent choice. Popular options include cedar, redwood, or pressure-treated pine. It requires more maintenance but offers a classic, inviting feel. Third, composite materials. A modern alternative to wood, composites are made from a mix of wood fibers and recycled plastics. They are highly durable, low maintenance, and resistant to rot, insects, and fading. Fourth, glass or polycarbonate panels. These are often used for the roof, providing protection from rain while allowing natural light to filter through, creating a bright and airy feel. Fifth, concrete. Used for the base or pillars, concrete provides a solid, modern foundation that is both strong and visually appealing, especially in a polished or textured finish. Now that we've covered the fundamentals, let's explore some inspiring ideas for incorporating ideas into your project. Here's the compilation of the top 10 picks for simple modern carport designs to inspire you for your next project. 1. The all-white perforated carport. For a bright and clean look, this white carport is a perfect choice. The perforated roof and decorative support beams create a light, airy feel that complements the white exterior of the house. This design looks more like a grand pergola, blending into the home's facade and the garden, offering both sun protection and an elegant entrance. It's a testament to how carports can be integrated so beautifully they become part of the home's main design. 2. The slatted wood and steel carport. Here, we see a fantastic marriage of materials. The dark, sleek steel frame provides a robust and clean structure, while the warm, vertical wood slats add texture and a natural touch. This design is excellent for providing both shelter and privacy. The slats allow for air and light to pass through while still creating a sense of enclosure. It's a contemporary design that feels both strong and elegant, complementing the brick home beautifully. 3. The classic wood carport. A classic for a reason. This design uses solid wood beams and a simple, straightforward structure to create a functional and timeless carport. The warmth of the wood makes it feel inviting and connected to the surrounding green landscape. This design is perfect for those who want a simple, rustic modern look that is both durable and beautiful. The simplicity of the structure allows it to blend seamlessly into almost any home style. 4. The minimalist steel frame carport. This carport exemplifies the minimalist, industrial aesthetic. The sharp, clean lines of the black metal frame and the corrugated metal roof create a powerful visual statement. The open design doesn't obstruct the view of the house, and the way it connects to the structure with a subtle angled roof adds a touch of modern architectural flair. It's a functional yet highly artistic piece that complements the home's contemporary facade and rocky landscape. 5. The long gallery carport. This design is a true showstopper. It creates a long, covered walkway that leads right up to the front door, offering protection for both your car and for you. The use of repeating vertical slats creates a sense of rhythm and modern sophistication, while the contrasting dark door and planters add visual interest. It's a highly integrated and thoughtful design that makes a bold statement and elevates the entire property. 6. The expansive double carport. This design shows how a modern carport can be integrated into the home's existing color palette and style. The wide, slatted design and muted tone of the structure echo the house's exterior. This double carport offers ample space and a sense of luxury, while the open slats on the side provide a modern, airy feel. It's a practical and visually appealing solution for homes with multiple vehicles, making for a grand and welcoming entrance. 7. The elegant timber carport with integrated lighting. This design perfectly blends functionality with natural beauty. The solid timber frame provides a warm, organic feel, while the carefully placed recessed lighting creates a stunning visual effect as the sun goes down. The structure extends from the main house, creating a seamless transition and a protected path from the car to the front door. The combination of the dark roof, light wood, and lush landscaping makes this a sophisticated and inviting entrance to the home. 8. The floating roof carport with vertical screens. This is an excellent example of how a carport can be a subtle yet impactful architectural feature. The flat, seemingly floating roof creates a clean line that doesn't overwhelm the brick facade of the home. The vertical slatted screens add a dynamic element of texture and light play, while providing partial privacy. The minimalist design and dark color palette make it a sophisticated and modern addition that protects the car without blocking the view. 9. The industrial carport with angled roof. This design features a striking angled metal roof that gives it a dynamic and contemporary feel. The combination of a gravel driveway and corrugated metal siding creates a rugged, industrial aesthetic. The exposed structure and lighting make it look both functional and stylish, perfect for a modern home that values raw materials and bold lines. It's a great example of a carport that is both practical and a piece of modern art. 10. The architectural gabion wall carport. This is a truly unique and striking design. The use of gabion walls, wire cages filled with rocks, creates a textural and earthy contrast to the sleek metal frame. This design not only provides privacy and protection but also serves as a beautiful, sculptural element in the landscape. The clear roof panels maintain a bright, open feel inside the carport, while the combination of natural stone and industrial materials makes a bold, modern statement. Whether you're looking for a simple structure to protect your car or a grand architectural statement to enhance your home, a simple modern carport offers endless possibilities. It's an investment in both function and aesthetics, proving that even a parking space can be a work of art. Which one was your favorite? Let us know in the comments below. If you're inspired to build your own, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to Homes Decor Designs for more home inspiration, and hit that notification bell so you don't miss our next video. Thanks for watching.